beautiful.
All right, y'all, so we about to head in the desert. We riding on the back over here. I think some punks is gonna ride on the inside, but we're gonna ride on top. Pause, major pause. The journey to Lompoul was pretty far, at about 3 hours away from Dakar. Since we drove there, we had to leave our car, and we were picked up by a 4x4 and driven through the desert to get to our next destination. Now, this drive through the desert was bumpy, but it was fun, and it's always good when you have good people around you.
Stop! Drop! Shut them down, open up shop! Oh! Oh! That's a rough rider's roll!
Between the 6 of us, we ended up with 3 rooms, and it worked out to be somewhere around $25 a person. Just pulled up to Lompoul. This is where we staying for the night. It's fire. Fire burn. All right, that's y'all too. We're all doing that. Y'all are all the way over there, right? We can take that one. Now the first one is them two. So then we over here. And let's check out the spot. My boy Aga out here. My boy just used our bathroom. Boy.
Man, I have to go.
Yo. And I want to know, yo, why our beds together? Yo, this boy, he disrespectful. Son disrespectful.
Sleeping on the floor tonight, man.
Yo, my boy disrespectful. All right, and let's see what the bathroom look like. What is fire? Oh, they got a toilet. We really wanted to do ATV tours, but unfortunately our place didn't have an ATV in the desert, so we opted for a camel ride. They had an option for a 15-minute tour or a 30-minute tour. We ended up doing the 15-minute tour, and it came out to be somewhere like $6, so it was a no-brainer for us. We out here in Lompoul. Listen, we in Senegal. We changing locations. Now, we about to ride on these camels. It's 6 of us, 4 camels, so you know what that means? I mean, Yaomi is riding with pure mun. Got my boy Aga about to get on the camel. Hop up there, boy. Pause.
He's saying to hold it there so that you can jump. There we go. Yes.
Got the whole gang with me. Look at this little, oh, he's a little cute right there. So we out here about to make these moves. But they, oh, yeah, let's do the 15. That's right, I got my dogs out. It's wavy out here though.
You guys want some drink or no?
It's free? I mean, I'll go over here lying about his allergies. Got his own plate. We eating over here, sharing everything. I mean, Aga told him he got allergies. He over here eating. But the highlight of the night was watching a traditional performance on the djembe drums involving singing, dancing around a campfire, enjoying the constellations in the night sky.
You guys have to sing.
Then Ibrahim hopped on the drums, went crazy on them. And that's when the real party started. We started dancing, everybody had their own freestyle time. I mean, maybe too much fun, because I almost caught myself on fire right here. And then it was next up. She was all in her element. You can see and even sense it. He was going around really hitting these beats. Man, this was crazy. And who surprised me was Yalvi, because we got him way out of his comfort zone. My man was doing everything. Just an overall real dope experience. I'm so blessed to have this experience. Good morning from the desert. We got this big beat.
Yes, what the fuck is
We got the
this,
mosquito
bro?
net up, but yo, that joint big as hell. It's how we wake up, son. Where that joint at, bro?
I'm gonna have to go open that shit.
Yeah, go open it.
Fuck. What happened?
Good morning from Africa. Look, yo, you have to be out. Let him out. Morning. Now we having breakfast. Got the fresh bread. Got the butter. Got the fromage. Got the jam. Got the Nutella. Got the OJ. Good breakfast with the group. All right, y'all. So it's day 6. Might be day 7. All the days is feeling jumbled. I'm chilling on a hammock in the desert. Great vibes. We're about to head out from the desert, going back to Dakar. Should be some chill day. Not really much planned, but this is mine, you know. So stay tuned for this, y'all. All right, we about to dip.
You know.
So I left my Nike Tech, so me and my boy Yalvi gotta walk back to try to get this. My boy right here. Jacket? For you. Mercy, thank you. Mercy. Man, that's a lifesaver.